Welcome back to AI Innovate, where we explore the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 favorite AI tools for creating amazing faceless videos. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone interested in AI, these tools will help you take your video production to the next level. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. This powerful AI tool from OpenAI is my go-to for generating video scripts. ChatGPT can understand context and produce coherent, engaging content that fits your needs perfectly. Whether you need a detailed tutorial, an engaging story, or just some inspiration, ChatGPT has got you covered. Simply input your topic or a few key points, and ChatGPT will generate a script that's ready to use or customize to your liking. Next, we have Invideo. This tool is fantastic for transforming your scripts into professional quality videos. With a user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, you can create stunning videos in minutes. Just upload your script, choose your visuals, and let Invideo handle the rest. It's that simple. Third on the list is Filmora. This versatile tool not only converts scripts to videos, but also offers robust video editing features. It's perfect for fine-tuning your videos to make them look polished and professional. With Filmora, you can add effects, transitions, and even animations to make your content stand. Our fourth tool is ideogram. A great video needs an eye-catching thumbnail, and ideogram excels at generating visually appealing thumbnails that attract clicks. Simply input your video details, and ideogram will generate a set of high-quality thumbnails for you to. Last but not least is Adobe AI. Once you have your thumbnails, Adobe AI helps you fine-tune them to perfection. With advanced editing capabilities, you can adjust colors, add text, and ensure your thumbnails are as engaging as possible. Adobe AI's intuitive tools make it easy to create professional-looking thumbnails that grab viewers' attention. And there you have it, my top 5 favorite AI tools for creating faceless videos. With ChatGPT, Invideo, Filmora, ideogram, and Adobe AI in your toolkit, you'll be able to produce high-quality content effortlessly. But before you go, I have a special surprise for all my subscribers and viewers. To show my appreciation for your support, I'm giving you access to TunePocket's YouTube Tags Extractor. This amazing tool helps you find the best tags for your videos, boosting your visibility and reach on YouTube. Just follow the link in the description to start using it today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI insights and tutorials. See you next time on AI Innovate.